Good afternoon, students. Now we'll see the case study for finite automata concept. I'll tell you the case. Once upon a time, a farmer went to a market and purchased three things: wolf, goat, and cabbage. On his way home, the farmer has to cross the river. The farmer came to the bank of a river and rented a boat. A farmer wants to cross a river and take with him a wolf, goat, and a cabbage. The boat can fit himself plus either the wolf or goat or the cabbage. If the wolf and goat are alone on the shore, the wolf will eat the goat. If the goat and cabbage are alone on the shore, the goat will eat the cabbage. How can a farmer bring the wolf, goat, and the cabbage across the river? From this case, the problem identified is man travels with wolf, goat, and cabbage. He has to cross from one side of the river to another side. The condition given here is using a boat, man has to move from one side to another side. Along with him, he can carry only one object. Wolf eats goats if left alone together. Goat eats cabbage if left alone together. How can the man cross the river without any loss? The solution is initially man carries a goat along with him and crosses from one side to another side and leaves the goat at the another end. Then he comes back and takes the wolf and goes to the another end of the bank and leaves wolf there. We will be having goat at the another end. So it takes the goat at that end and return backs. Here we have cabbage and goat. Now he will leave the goat and takes the cabbage and crosses the river and leaves the cabbage there where we have wolf at that end. So again he returns back to this end and takes the goat and crosses the river and moves to the another end. So finally all the three objects reach here. This is one solution. Another solution is instead of carrying goat, he can carry wolf. So we can have more than one solution for this one. Here what we have to do is we have to construct a transition diagram for this case in order to give you a solution. Can you able to draw a transition diagram for this case using this solution? You do it. Thank you.